1,000 years have passed since the War of Oracles. Loki, still smarting from his defeat, led the four fallen gods: fear, pestilence, corruption, pain. In an invasion of Midgard, mankind's armies met them, only to be overwhelmed by the armies of the fallen gods. You, Chaos, stepped into the breach, making a lone last stand against the fallen legions, before finally succumbing out of sheer exhaustion. This was just the beginning.
The pain! All I remember is being engulfed in my body. Is it still alive?
No time to feel sorry for yourself. First, break out of this cage. This is the Burning Hells, and Loki's hiding place.
Quite a distinctive style.
That is the Red Eye of Karez, the Skeleton King. He has eyes everywhere in Hell.
Karez?
Loki's guard dog, a spirit of the dead that rules over this place. Let's go and meet him. Behind that door, I can sense his presence. Watch out! It's a lava hulk. The lava hulk's slow. Try attacking from behind.
Not exactly a warm welcome.
We just need to borrow something from him. A little something.
All right. I know what to do now.
Chaos, go and absorb his soul power now. Don't fight it. The first time is always a little uncomfortable.
This is really uncomfortable. My soul is shivering.
The roar of Kerez can be heard faintly over the molten lava.
I will watch you from hell forever.
Not bad, kid. Time to go home.
He sure is hard to kill.
Kerez is the incarnation of the rules that define this place. He can't really be killed. He will be revived as long as he has the fallen god's favor. He will continue to watch this place for the next 1,000 or even 10,000 years.
Poor thing. He's like a puppet on a string.
Your soul reawakens in the darkness. Given new powers by the Guardian Heimdall, you defeat the Skeleton Wardens. Under the direction of the Guardian, you pass through the gate between death and life and ascend the stairs leading to Midgard.
I have returned.
Everything suddenly goes dark, and Chaos feels as if his body is being pulled in different directions. A voice can be heard calling faintly in the darkness.
Wake up! Wake up! Slowly now. Oh, thank heavens. You finally come around, Chaos. What happened to you? Your body.
Cuenca? It's a long story. Did everyone retreat?
Yeah, everyone thought you were dead, but I knew you were tougher than that. I came back to have a look, and here you are.
Thank you, my brother. What's the situation now?
Our biggest problem is that Colossus. No matter how many we send up against it, no one returns.
I remember now. Didn't we destroy its energy core already?
Oh, it's not so simple. It still has one core remaining in its left eye. The Defiler army has reinforced the defenses around the Colossus. No one can get through so many barriers.
We can't give up now. I'll go.
You haven't changed. You're as crazy as ever. You can't go like this, though. We need a new weapon. Much better.